Garlic, a widely used ingredient in cooking, is not only valued for its flavor but also for its impressive health benefits. Eating garlic regularly for a week can lead to various positive changes in your body, supported by scientific insights. Let's explore what happens when you incorporate garlic into your diet for 7 days. Strengthened immune system. One of the most significant benefits of garlic is its ability to enhance immune function. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to exhibit antibacterial and antiviral properties. After a week of consuming garlic, you may find that your body is better equipped to fend off common illnesses like colds and infections. Improved heart health. Garlic is renowned for its cardiovascular benefits. Research suggests that regular garlic consumption can lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels. Within a week, you might notice improvements in key cardiovascular markers, such as reduced LDL cholesterol and bad cholesterol. These changes can contribute to a lower risk of heart disease over time. Enhanced digestive health. Garlic acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Over a week of garlic intake, you may experience improvements in your digestion and gut health. This includes better nutrient absorption and potentially reduced bloating, creating a healthier digestive environment. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including arthritis and autoimmune diseases. Garlic possesses anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body. After a week of regular consumption, you may notice decreased inflammatory markers, which can lead to reduced pain and discomfort. Detoxification support. Garlic is believed to aid detoxification processes in the body. It contains sulfur compounds that support liver function and enhance the body's ability to eliminate toxins. Consuming garlic for a week may help activate these detoxification pathways, promoting overall health. Conclusion. Incorporating garlic into your diet for a week can offer numerous health benefits, from improved immunity to enhanced heart health. However, it's important to consume garlic in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. Enjoy the potential benefits of garlic and elevate your health.